Hello, welcome to our tutorial. I'm thrilled to showcase the functionality of the Prevent Duplicate feature for customers based on their company. Trust me, by the end of this guide, you'll be saying, bingo! Here's the magic. When you create a customer in Shopify with a company name, the customer is automatically created in Salesforce as a contact under the account associated with that company. Boom! No duplicates, no headaches. Let's dive in. I'm already logged into Salesforce, where our trusty Sync Made Easy app is up and running. On the dashboard, you'll see that the store name HIC Shop 21 is already added. Now let's hop over to the Shopify store. Before we create a customer, I'll quickly show you the Salesforce account ABC, which currently has a single contact. All set? Time to create a new customer in Shopify. Fill in the customer's first name, last name, email, and add a phone number. And most importantly, enter the company name as ABC. With everything in place, I'll hit save. Our customer, Steve Smith, is now created in Shopify, complete with the company name ABC. Sync magic. Here's where the magic comes into play. I'll refresh the Salesforce account page. And there it is. Steve Smith has been created as a contact under the ABC account in Salesforce, just as expected.